In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a flow action in Power Automate, a super handy skill to have when you're looking to replicate certain tasks within your workflows. This can save you both time and effort, making your automation tasks much more efficient. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your flow. Start by launching Power Automate Desktop. Once you've got the application up and running, navigate to the particular flow that contains the action you wish to copy. It's important to ensure that you're working within the correct flow to avoid editing the wrong one. Now, once you're inside the Flow Designer, your task is to locate the specific action you want to duplicate. Take a moment to scan through the sequence of actions within your flow. Finding the right action is crucial, because you want to make sure you're duplicating the exact function you need. With the action pinpointed, the next step is to copy it. To do this, simply click on the ellipsis, those three little dots, in the upper right corner of the action box. This will open up a drop-down menu that offers various options. From this menu, you'll want to select Copy to my clipboard. What this does is take a snapshot of that action so you can easily paste it elsewhere within your flow. Alright, now that the action is safely copied to your clipboard, you're ready to paste it wherever it's needed. Locate the exact spot in your flow where you want to insert the copied action. You'll do this by clicking on the plus button, which is usually found at points where you can add new actions in Power Automate. Once you click this button, you'll be presented with a list of potential additions to your flow. Choose My Clipboard from this list. What you'll see next is a display of everything you've previously copied, including the action you just saved a moment ago. Identify the action you want to paste and simply select it. By doing so, it will be instantly inserted into the flow at the chosen point, mirroring its original configuration and setup. This allows you to extend your automation tasks seamlessly without the hassle of recreating actions from scratch. And there you have it. You've successfully copied and pasted a flow action within Power Automate. This technique is not only useful for duplicating actions within a single flow, but can also be employed across different workflows, granting you the flexibility and efficiency that Power Automate is well known for. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Remember, mastering these small but effective tasks can significantly enhance your productivity in managing automated workflows. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join me again for more insightful tutorials.